Hello and welcome to another session of, of Lisa on Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations. Today we're going to speak about a new feature, which is basically the bulk update feature, which can be used to update multiple fields on subscription plan and plan line records. So if I click here, directly enter price subscription automation, I can go to setup. And I can go to subscription bulk update setup, where I can define the query that I want to use. Here we can see the existing entries, and from here we can realize the enabled ones and the processed ones. And please note that for the bulk update processor to use these records and actually process them, a record has to be enabled, while if the record has been processed, then it can no longer be reprocessed. What we can do, however, is select one of them and we can copy the entry to a new record and we can amend on the new record. So what I will do is I will go ahead and create a new subscription bulk update record. I will give it a name, testing bulk update 44. I won't switch enabled for now, because if I do so, it will disallow me from editing and adding new lines. So I keep this off for the time being, and I will select my type, whether I would like to update subscription plans or plan lines, right? Either or. In my case, for this example, we'll use subscription plan. And please note that for now, all of the records of this company will be updated with the fields I will select in this section down below. I will focus on the update query later on during this video. For now, I'm going to go ahead and select the fields I would like to update in bulk. In this case, I'm going to select my customer reference field, customer ref, and I'll update it with the value of customer invoice 44, and I will also update the price rounding field so that the price rounding is effective. Price rounding, here it is. And in this case, because the price rounding is a yes or a no flag, I'm given the option yes or no here. So I'll mark this as yes. So those are the two fields which I want to update in bulk. I can go ahead to my update query button right now, which will basically allow me to filter those subscription plans that I want to update only. So this is a normal D365 query form. I can remove the second line as I don't require this. And in this case, I'm going to select subscription plans should be in status draft. And I want all of the subscription plans of a specific customer to be updated. My customer in this case is con 00001. I press OK. That is my criteria, and I can mark this as enabled now. Please notice that both the update query and the line section has been disabled for editing, and that my records being updated has now been changed to 2. So this customer has 2 records or 2 subscription plans which I can update. In fact, if I switch to my other tab right here, you can see on my customer Jacob Robinson I have 2 per unit subscriptions which are in draft. Right, and currently, if I go to details on either one of them, we can see the price rounding is off and there is no customer reference number. So what I'll do now is I'll go back to my bulk update tool, I'll run the processor, and once I press OK, I'm expecting, of course, the update of those fields on those 2 subscription plans. A small thing to keep in mind is that under the parameter section of the bulk update processor, if we were to remove the entry testing bulk update 44, the processor would run on all of the subscription bulk update records I have which are on status enabled and not processed, of course. In my case, I want to only run it on this single record which I just created right now. I can also run the process in batch and with a recurrence if required. In my case, I don't need these, so I'll press OK, and this gives me the information that the bulk update testing has processed successfully 44 records. Has processed successfully 2 records. This is the testing bulk update name, of course. So if I were to go back to my other screen and I check the details of both subscription plans, exactly price rounding has been switched on and customer reference has been filled. If I change to my other subscription plan, price rounding is on and customer invoice 44 has been updated as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it informative.